In this first part of section 2.2, we're going to go over some of the main questions we're going to try to answer in this section on rings. So the first thing we're going to ask is, well, what is a ring? And what are these things called integral domains? They're certain special types of rings that we're going to focus a lot of our attention on, but we're going to try to, we're going to give the definitions and then try to see how one proves things are rings and their integral domains. And we want to know what's the difference between these objects, fields that we were talking about in the last section, and these new objects, rings and integral domains. And as you've experienced when we checked something was a field, there's sort of a lot of properties that one has to check. And so a strategy for constructing new rings, fields, integral domains from old ones is to look at subsets. And so we're going to go into what are called subrings, and we want to know what subsets of a ring actually are a ring on their own. Okay, and this is going to take in the field case, it's going to take the 10 checks down to like 3 or 4, which is great because 3 or 4 is a lot better than 10. And then we're going to pay attention at certain special types of elements that that rings have and give them some names. So these are the type of questions that we're going to be answering in this section. And I encourage you to write these down and answer them as we go along.